What's up, YouTube? So today's video is about this 2012 Mustang GT Premium, and I picked this up about a month ago, and in the meantime I've just been doing some detailing on it, cleanup, and just some general maintenance stuff. This is a car that I've always wanted and always really liked ever since it first came out. And this is the 5.0 Coyote motor. 2012 Mustang GT Premium. And it makes 412 horsepower and 390 pounds-feet of torque. And it's just overall a really cool car. The horsepower per price per dollar is pretty insane. And I'm really stoked I was able to find one of these at a really good price. So I got this for $10,500. And it's a car that I've seen go for $14,000, $15,000, even $16,000. And what I was looking for was black on black, which it has. And it had to be the 5.0 liter GT. But what I found on this was a premium. So comes with the leather interior. It's a little bit upgraded, I guess, from the base model. Oh, and it had to be the 6-speed manual, of which this one is. Now when I picked this car up, it had a few things. It had this fake carbon fiber trim all over the dashboard, and I think it had some on the door panels too. So that took a really long time to get off. Basically we peeled it off, and then it had this horrible residue that was stuck all over the dashboard here. And if you can see, we're able to get it all off, and the trim under it is completely clean and intact, but it was all over here, and it just made the car look disgusting. So we were able to get that. Aside from that, the only real interior defect is going to be on the driver's side leather. It has one small tear in the middle back. Overall, the car is really well taken care of. You can see even like the bolsters where people get in and out of the car is super clean, and the paintwork is really clean as well. So this is the black. It's just a flat black, non-metallic. It's a really cool color. I really like it a lot. And spent probably about 20 hours on the paint, all told, just getting it perfected and ceramic coated. It's got a little bit of dust on here right now, but nothing too major. The car had 2 small dents, which I was able to have Mark at Superior Dent Removal over in San Jose came over and popped those out. There was one right here on the gas cap line that he got out, and there was another on the flat part of this driver's side fender that he got out completely as well. Really impressive. And then I just repolished those areas. So the only other things I want to do on this are fix this. It's got curb rash around the wheels, and then trying to decide if I want to fix that leather or not, or just live with it as is. It's really not that bad. But yeah, overall this is just a dream car for me, and I'm really happy to have gotten it at the price I got it at. It's one of those cars where I would always browse it on Craigslist and just look at them, and the price was a little bit out of reach, and I figured it would probably be 2 or 3 more years before there was one that was reasonably priced enough that I could justify getting it. And we also detailed the engine compartment out, which is steam cleaning, degreasing, and then conditioning all the plastics, hoses, and any rubber bits with a water-based dressing that's actually going to feed the plastics and rubber instead of deteriorating them like a solvent-based dressing would. Yeah, but overall I'm really pumped on this car. Considering changing these out, the fake side vent and then the fake louvers to carbon fiber, or a carbon fiber lookalike, depending what the cost is going to be. Yeah, it's just a really cool car. It's got just stupid little things like the sequential taillights that I really like, and then the custom gauges that you can set pretty much to an infinite number of different color combinations. And I really like the green with the red around it. It's really cool. But yeah, you can see like even the steering wheel is just in really good condition. The seat bottoms are really good. It just has a little bit of that wear right there that I showed. But overall, everything is really nice, and you don't really know what to expect with the car that was this cheap. It was well below what I'd seen other ones at. And it's one of those cars that, yeah, it definitely has a Kelley Blue Book value that's pretty fairly priced, but you're not always going to find one within that range because they're pretty desirable still. And again, like the horsepower per dollar is pretty insane. So to find it was really stoked, and its higher mileage is 90,000 miles. But having owned a lot of Fords, I have a Ford, our work van is a Ford, and then my work truck is the Ford V10. So I've owned a lot of higher mileage Fords and always had really good luck with them. So I don't think it's anything to really be concerned about if you find one that's higher mileage. Test drive it. If it runs out well, pick it up. A lot of people keep these things as like second cars or third cars, weekend cars, and garage queens, and they're going to be really low miles, but the price is going to stay high. But every once in a while, you're going to find a driver, something like this that's just been driven or commuted in, that has higher mileage, and I don't think it's anything to be scared about. If you want, have a mechanic check it out and make sure it's all sound. But I mean, these Ford V8s are really good, and they'll run. I mean, Ford has been known for making V8s that'll run forever. We've had work vans with 200 plus on them, and they're really, really good motors. So yeah, I just wanted to show this car a little bit and let people know if you're looking at high mileage GTs, I would definitely go ahead and pick one up, especially now. I think the price is going to come down even a little bit more on stuff like this as people are going to start selling their stuff off or getting rid of things, stuff that used to be a luxury, like having extra vehicles around or a weekend car or just more fun cars. Maybe you could find one even cheaper than that. Let me know in the comments if you've seen anything cheaper than 10.5 on one of these GT Premiums. And I'm not talking about something with like a whack color combination, something cool like a black on black or that silver on black. But yeah, this is just a dream come true for me, and I'm really happy to have it. So thanks for checking it out, guys.